Hello. In this lesson I'm going to cover lesson 4, hopefully all of it. So we're going to be learning notes of the 3rd string. So this time we have open and 2nd fret on string 3, G and A. Remember how to do your wrist. Keep it straight, keep your fingers curved. G and A. We're also going to learn the A major chord, and we have a little ensemble piece. I'll show you maybe each part, all right, and we'll play through them. So let's get straight into this. So go ahead and make sure just to review G and A, and once you do that, I want you to join me in what I'm about to do. So we're going to do the natural note review, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd strings. Okay, here we go. Remember the rules. Keep your thumb above the string you're playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. And play that as many times as you like. Slow the video down if you want to play along with me, or just slow it down on your own. Make sure to use the same fingers as the frets. So finger 2 for 2nd fret, finger 1 for 1st fret, finger 3 for 3rd fret. Alright, exercise 20 covers G and A only, so 3rd string open and 3rd string 2nd fret. We're in common time, so I'm going to count to 4 and play through it. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now for the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat that as many times as you need to. Exercise 21, now we're playing the 3rd and 2nd strings. So we have G, A, B, and C, and D. G, A, B, C, D. I had to fix my pants. Alright, this is in 3, 4. Write in the fingerings if you need to for the left hand. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now the chords. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, moving on to the next page. Now we have a duet going on for student and teacher, so you're only going to have to learn the top line. So if you look at exercise 22, there's 2 lines that are kind of connected. You're only going to do the first one, and I'll play the first one, and I'll, just so you can know how it is and play it. And then I would practice that, get good at it, and then you can join along and play your part against mine as I play the 2nd line. So we have sharps and flats. B flat, remember, is going to be the 3rd string 3rd fret. Alright, exercise 22, I'm going to play the top line of it, which is your part. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. practice that, get good, and then play that same thing along with what I'm about to do, which will be the duet part. Completely different from what you're going to play, but it'll sound good when we put it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So hopefully that went well. Do as many times as you like. Get comfortable. It can be a little bit weird at first hearing something different, but if you just count and make sure that your rhythm's right, it'll match up and it'll sound pretty cool. Exercise 23. Let's play through it first and then we'll talk about the A major chord. So this has first and second ending again like we did in a previous exercise. So what I'd like to do is cover that and then play through it. So we're going to play through through measures 1 through 8, because measure 8 is in that number 1 bracket. That's our first ending. So we're going to play through it the first time only. Then we'll go back to the beginning, play through all the way to measure 7, but we're going to skip measure 8, which is the number 1 in the bracket, and play the following measure with the 2 in the bracket, which is our second ending. All right, here we go. We're playing strings 1, 2, and 3 with sharps and flats and using the repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we have A major. So, sorry, I'm trying to be quick because it's going to be too loud for me to shoot videos in just a short amount of time. So I'm going to be talking quick, and I know you can rewind. So A major, they have 1, 2, and 3 on the second frets of strings 4, 3, and 2. That's what it sounds like. That's a good fingering. I also like 2, 3, and 4 depending on what I'm playing. And if you're a little bit more advanced player, I like to put finger 2 down on the second fret and then bar with this finger, which means I'm going to press flat on the strings 3 and 4 second fret. So that's what it looks like. Alright, let's play through this with the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second ending. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 24. Let's talk about this. So this also has a duet part that I'll play. You can skip it if you like, but the part I don't want you to skip is your part. So let's talk about how this works. So we have repeat signs. for measures 1 and 2. So we're going to play measure 1, measure 2, then measure 1, measure 2, and then continue. Play 3, 4, 5, 6. And then measure 7 and 8 are also repeated. So you'll play measure 7, measure 8, measure 7, measure 8, then measure 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's play through it. I'll do my best to call out with the repeats and all that. And then after this, I'll play my part so you can play this along with it. I think it sounds really cool. Exercise 24, we're in 4-4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to measure 7. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and continue. Measure 9. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before I play my part, I want to cover something I should have covered before I played through it. You're going to be playing your thumb for the low note on beats 1 and 3, and then play I or M for the higher notes. It's always going to be P, I, or P, M. I alternate, actually. I play P, I, P, M, P, I, P, M. But you can play, keep it a little bit more simple if you like. P, I, P, I, P, I, P, I. So, alright, I'm going to attempt to play through my part of this because it may get kind of loud here. I'm at my parents' house. I'm kind of having to travel back and forth. My mom had knee surgery, so I had to come down this weekend and just in case to help out with some chores. So let's finish here, all right? I'm going to play through the accompaniment, and I'll stop the video, and that way if I need to do several takes of the second part of this lesson, then we're good to go. So here we go. I'm going to play the accompaniment now. You play exercise 24, your part, and I'm going to play something to go along with it, all right? Exercise 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Measure 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Continue. Measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So I'm going to shoot the last part of this, which I believe is a Celts Lament and some technique stuff, in a second video. And so I'll see you there.